Alright guys, so today we are here with OMG Queen. So this is their packaging. This is the box. I really freaking love the box. It's so cute. Inside comes a wig cap, a edge brush with the comb at the end, and the star of the show, which is their kinky straight unit. So I'm super excited, y'all. She is a 360 unit. Yes. She's 360, so you can put her in a bun, you can put her in a ponytail, you can do what you like. So this is the construction of it. It comes with two combs in the front. Okay, it does come with a bigger comb towards the nape section along with the drawstring, and it comes with the elastic band just in case you want to wear it glueless. You got it, girl. You got it. So this is what it looks like unaltered. The lace ain't cut off, anything. The first day I did this video, I actually put curls in it, and I lost all the clips because my camera stopped recording. So this and the embosser is all I have from that day. I'm actually glad that, you know, I don't have it because this is a kinky straight wig. I don't know what I was doing curling it anyway, because it's like, y'all want to see this unit straight, not kinky curly. It's not a kinky curly unit, it's a kinky straight. So the next day I went in and washed it and conditioned it with my Aussie shampoo and conditioner, and this is what it looks like. It's wet, of course, so I am going to go in with a dryer, and I added my attachment comb on it so I can go ahead and get it as straight as possible. Y'all, this hair reminds me of our hair so freaking much. My hair texture. And I was super excited because, like, I really know how to work with my hair. So I knew this unit was going to be a piece of freaking cake, okay? The texture of it felt so realistic, y'all. Like, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's my hair. I had to keep remembering, like, this is a unit. This is not my hair. So I really, really love the texture as well because it felt very, 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 very real. Like, real to the point where it's like, is this not mine? Is it not? So yeah, I'm going in and straightening up the part. Like I said, I did cut off the lace and everything because I did that in a whole different video. But this hair can be curled. I forgot to say that. This hair can be curled because I did curl it, and it holds curls amazingly. It's like oh my gosh, y'all. I'm just too hyped. But I am securing just the front of it down only. The styles that I'm doing today doesn't require a full security. And like I said, you can just use the elastic band and wear it like that. But I chose to just secure down the front portion of it. I use my got2b glue hairspray. This is a spray. It's a hairspray. It's not glue. It's not gel. It's just a strong holding spray. So I just thought I'd throw that out here. I am going to just put a couple baby hairs in. A couple is two, and just a little two swoop-de-doops in the front. And when I started doing those baby hairs, y'all, I said, oh my gosh, this looks too real. Like, I was just amazed. Okay, so I'm going in and straightening out the roots just a little bit. I love the kinky texture, but sometimes it can be a little too thick, so I just wanted to flatten it out a little bit, and I just took some wax and from a wax stick and just placed it on the top. This will help it lay down. Like, I don't want to completely get rid of the roots and make it like seamless, like too straight. I did want it to have some texture up there, so I didn't go and do it like bone straight. But if you do want that bone straight, you can do this method and then chase it after the flat iron. Yeah, chase it with the flat iron, and it will be like super duper 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 straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and just flatten out the roots just a little bit, and we will be back. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. Roots are straightened and the hair is not. So this is what it would look like if you just want to do the roots and leave it like that. This is gone, girl. Do your thing. But I ain't today. I ain't doing that. So we're gonna go in and straighten her out. Y'all, when I tell you this unit was so easy to work with, it was so easy to work with because, like I said, it's like our hair. So I know that when you blow dry your hair, when you flat iron it, it's a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake. When I did wash it, it was barely no shedding at all in the sink. Girl, it was none. And detangling, I have not experienced it. It was non-existent. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna go in and flat iron the entire section. It wasn't hard at all, y'all, and like I said, I didn't want it bumbo straight because I did want texture in my unit, because I still wanted to, you know, have it looking like mine. So I do go in there. I think this is the Babyliss Pro flat iron, and I do keep it on either 25 and 30. I know when you turn it up higher, it do start smoking a little bit, depending on, you know, the products you have in your hair. And I did have heat protectant in there along with wax. So, but look how it's coming out, you guys. Like, you can't tell me that this is not my hair. Like, you guys don't even know how many compliments I got. Everybody said, oh my gosh, you finally wore your hair out. Oh my gosh, your hair is so long and so pretty. Look, y'all, it looked that realistic, but no one could tell, like, sis, you can't tell me this is not mine. Now, when people went to say, let me see if this is your hair, gotta smack them hands. Don't dig in my wig. They don't, like, don't dig in my hair. And I think that's the giveaway. People know, you know, it's not yours when you don't want you to touch, when you don't want them to touch it. But I don't want people touching my real hair. Like, don't dig your hands in my hair, okay? Hands off. So, yeah, this unit is that, okay? It's that good because people were really fooled. They were really fooled. They really thought it was my unit. So, I mean, my natural hair. But, okay, enough of that. We're going to go in and swoop it over, y'all. Now, I told y'all when it comes to parts, I'm a perfectionist. So, I tried to make sure my part was not near my eyelashes, but covering enough forehead. So, yeah, just try to put it in a way that you like. I know I'm different. I have a different head shape. We all have different head shapes. So I tried to part it so it could look, you know, decent on my head shape. Now, I don't have the unit secured on the sides, just the middle, and the middle came up. Actually, with this whole style, the unit is not secured down at all. We're gonna go ahead and continue until I fix this part the way I want it, and I'll be back. Okay, so like you said, it's a slight baby swoop. I mean, baby hair on the left side of it. But I'm just gonna add some, you know, holding spray and keep blow drying it and keep brushing it. You really want this part to stay in place because I didn't use any clips or anything, so I used this spray to have everything there. With this spray, do not wait till it dries and then comb it out because I know you'll end up with white flakes. So be gentle, and once you comb it in place and dry it, do not try to recomb over it because it will turn white, and I noticed that. So I'm just sharing with you guys that. So this is pretty much all to the style. It was very, very easy to achieve. Just once everything is where you like it, spray it, dry it, and since you're good to go. So really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in this bomb kinky straight unit, don't forget to check out the description section below. All information will be listed down there. Let me know what you guys think of this unit, and yeah, until next time, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.